really easy hummus. So you need chickpeas, lemon, garlic, olive oil, tahini, bit of salt and pepper, and of course a blender. Drain your chickpeas. Then we get some garlic. We need 2 cloves, cut it up nice and fine. Right then, it doesn't really matter what order you put these all into the blender. So first of all, I'll put the chickpeas in with the garlic. Then I'll add some tahini. All of the ingredient quantities will be in the description. Then I've added some olive oil. Then squeezing the lemon. Try not to get the pips in. And one thing I actually forgot to mention is half a cup of water. Some salt. Some pepper. Lid on, blend it all up. Now we're looking for a nice thick consistency here. Mine's looking very good. Get your favourite potato chip and give it a try. Thanks very much guys. Easy hummus. See you next time.